guys, a very good morning from Magic Kingdom. Yes, I am here at Florida Orlando at Disney World and I'm super excited to share with you guys along what we're gonna explore in this trip. So here we roll the day. Traveling from picturesque city of Seattle to the enchanting rim of Orlando is a journey filled with excitement and wonder. Upon landing in Orlando, a warm breeze welcomes you to the Sunshine State, offering a glimpse of palm trees and vibrant landscape along the way. Our first day started around 9 a.m. to Magic Kingdom. As we check into the entrance, there were two options, either ferry or monorail, and we choose ferry ride, which will take us to the theme park. As you step through the iconic entrance, adorned with Cinderella's castle, you are transported into a realm of pure enchantment. We are at the heart of Magic Kingdom, the main street, charming avenue that leads to the Grand Castle, lined with shop and eateries. It captures the nostalgic spirit. Taking a leisurely stroll and excitement build as you approach the castle, standing tall against the Florida sky. Since the park is divided into 5 areas, you don't want to be all over the park. So we focused on one area, that's Fantasyland. With our itineraries, the first attraction was Prince Charming Regal Carousel. Onwards, we headed to Peter Pan's flight. After that, our third ride at the mini adventure of Winnie the Pooh, a ride of 45 seconds, and then we took a break for restroom. Stepping into a world of magic and joy while visiting Disney theme park, make sure to wear comfortable shoes, keep yourself hydrated and carry your food. Regarding restaurants, well, I would suggest either you have prior reservation or bring your food like we did, as we were unsure about our scheduling. About to take our next ride, it's a small world. Our last but not the least ride was Under the Sea, Journey of the Little Mermaid, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Yes, for every ride we had to wait for around 15 to 30 minutes as we opted for regular lane. But you can opt for GD Plus, which is less time consuming, but yes, you have to pay extra amount while booking the tickets. And it was a fun ride. Coming to the parade begins with a burst of color and energy, led by cheerful dancers and marching bands that set the festive tone. As you find a comfortable spot along Main Street, the parade occurs at 3 p.m. daily and is a fantastic opportunity to view both rare and familiar Disney characters, where streets transform into vibrant pathways of joy. Music fills the air and Disney character comes to life in a dazzling spectacle, capturing the essence of Disney's storytelling magic. The attention to detail in the costumes and the enthusiasm of the performers make the parade a visual delight. The parade occurs at 3 p.m. daily and is a fantastic opportunity to view both rare and familiar Disney characters. This enchanting experience adds an extra sprinkle of joy to your list. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a seasonal Disney enthusiast, The Magic Kingdom parade is a must-see, offering a captivating and heartwarming journey. Nested within the magic of the park, shelves adorned with plush Mickey Mouse toys, sparkling princess tiaras, and magical trinkets capture your attention. As the clock strikes, the castle comes alive with a breathtaking display of lights and colors. It's time for Happily Ever After, the mesmerizing fireworks and projection show that turns the night into a canvas of dreams. The show is not just about fireworks, it's a storytelling masterpiece. Our second day was much relaxing, having our breakfast at the Madras Cafe, and we headed to Land. Began our adventure with a ride on the Land Express train. It provides a scenic overview of the park and it's a great way to get oriented. Promises a unique and exciting experience to see a large number of alligators in their natural habitat. For a few seconds it was scary, but after a while you will enjoy the place. There are multiple shows to keep the visitors busy, and then we witnessed the Gator Jambro show where trainers interact with live alligators, showcasing their natural behavior and agility.
Teach y'all some very important stuff.
We spent about 3 hours. You could spend more time if you do the extra things like zip lining. There was so much more to see and learn. On day 3, we headed early morning to Animal Kingdom. Disney's Animal Kingdom is a combination of thrilling attractions, live shows, and a commitment to the wildlife conservation. Starting with Kilimanjaro Safari is one of the premier attractions at the Disney Animal Kingdom in Orlando. The vehicles are designed to resemble authentic safari trucks.
Chased down by predators. So got these stripes on their back and on their torso.
A knowledgeable safari guide accompanies each group, providing interesting facts and information about the animals you encounter.
Loose flap of skin there, almost kind of dangled there. That's called a doula. They do spend most of their days fully submerged. Only have to come out to breathe every 5 to 8 minutes.
This safari experience takes you on an open-air vehicle journey through the Harambe Wildlife Reserves, providing an opportunity to see a variety of exotic animals in a naturalistic setting. The live narration enhances the educational aspects of the experience.
But first, I do want to point out that one of the Saddle-built storks. The top of that hill where you see that big nest of view of those lions, especially for the time of day. They
Let's go!
Our next ride was Pandora, the world of Avatar, is a theme land inspired by blockbuster film Avatar. Home to unique plant life and creatures from the Avatar universe. A one-of-a-kind experience that transports visitor to the fictional world of Pandora, making it a must-visit for fans of the movies. And here we take a tranquil boat ride through the bioluminescent forest of Pandora. The Navis River journey features stunning visuals including the glowing plants and creatures that come to life at night. Keep an eye out for the various species of plants that light up at the night, creating a magical ambience.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And here at Dino Land, a playful and whimsical atmosphere with its roadside carnival theme and dinosaur-centric attractions.
Yeah, we are going down.
And with that, here we end our vlog. I hope you guys like exploring with us. Well, see you next time. Goodbye.